Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to find Facebook profile link. Friends, if you want to send your Facebook profile link, then you need to open Facebook app. Now here you need to press on the profile picture. Now here you will find three dots in a circle. Press on it. Now here under share, you will find option to copy profile link. So now your profile link is copied and you can share it anywhere on WhatsApp or any messaging app or email. So friends, like this you can very easily copy your profile link on Facebook. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.